So they're working on the backsplash. You still need to put in these two lights that you asked about. And I did talk to John about the rekey of those two doors. They have not been done. I'll go show you the closet guides. So most of the blinds are up, but there's a couple here and there that still need to go up. So yeah, those are closet guides. So they were installed in bedroom 1 and 2. These are the new hoses that I was telling you about, because the previous ones had copper fittings. Now they have to be added.